The Broke Escape Stories, Episode 1, From Child Bride to Business Tycoon, the Kalpana Saroj story. Sunday Stories, only on the Broke Escape Plan. She was married at 12, abused, shamed, almost ended her life at 16. Today she runs a company worth over 100 crores. This is the Broke Escape story of Kalpana Saroj, India's real-life slumdog millionaire. Welcome to the Broke Escape Stories, where everyday people break the rules, escape the grind, and find financial freedom their own way. Your freedom story starts now. Kalpana Saroj was born in 1961 into a Dalit family in Ropakeda, Maharashtra, a caste at the bottom of India's social ladder. At just 12 years old, she was married off to a man nearly twice her age and moved into a cramped Mumbai slum. Her life became a prison, no school, constant abuse, humiliation from in-laws and neighbors. By 16, broken and hopeless, she tried to end her life. She survived. Her father brought her back home. And that's when everything changed. Kalpana refused to be broken. Back in her village, she took a job at a textile mill, working 12-hour shifts for just 2 rupee a day. Every rupee she earned, she saved. Every insult she remembered. Then came her first leap, a government loan of 50,000, available only to Dalit women. She used it to open a small tailoring business. That one shop became 2. Then came a furniture store. Bit by bit, Kalpana began to understand business, people, power, and most importantly, her own worth. Kalpana, no one gave me permission to succeed, so I gave it to myself. In the early 2000s, workers from a bankrupt company, Kamani Tubes, came to her for help. It was abandoned, drowning in debt. Everyone told her she would fail. She had no MBA, no rich network. She said yes anyway. She studied law, negotiated with banks, faced off with angry labor unions, and revived the company, one day, one challenge, one signature at a time. Kalpana Saroj became the chairperson of Kamani Tubes Limited, and over the next decade, she turned it into a 100-plus crore company. Today, Kalpana is a Padma Shri awardee, one of India's highest civilian honors. She runs multiple businesses, she mentors young entrepreneurs, and she started an NGO to help other Dalit women access capital, training, and dignity. Kalpana, my caste, my gender, my poverty, people said these were curses, but I made them my strength. Here's your broke escape takeaway. Kalpana didn't wait for luck. She found a government loan and bet on herself. This week, do one thing. Search online for a grant, a free training program, or a government loan available in your country. Even if it's small. Even if you're scared. Even if no one believes in you. Because freedom doesn't ask for permission. It starts with one bold step. Like, subscribe and join us next Sunday for another powerful Broke Escape Plan Sunday story. This is the Broke Escape Stories, and your escape plan starts now.